what is happening, what happened rather with the entire farm laws protests, how do you see the progression in terms of how the Khalistani movement has evolved?
These are all movement of the Khalistani. Basically, these people are so stupid that they don't like, for example, some Khalistani I was watching and sitting in, UK, he was saying no farmer, no food. You must have heard that slogan, right? That idiots should know for 150 years, UK doesn't produce its food. Are they not eating it? Now they are sitting in, for example, US, and they are saying no. If you look at US has the biggest arable land in the world, right? And you can grow anything. And if you go to, you see in 1800, so about 200 years ago, 90% of people in America were involved in farming, right? After 100 years, in 1900s, 40% people were involved in farming. Another 100 years later, which is around 2000, 2% people were involved in farming. So, and you see how America has become such a rich country. And this is not true for America. I'm saying this is true for anywhere in the world. It's basically farming, it's a labor-intensive job. So when you have people involved in a labor-intensive job, then you basically become poor. And if you go back to like Greek civilization, that's why they were based on slavery. Slavery also comes from this farming. Because when you are farming, you are involved in labor-intensive, you'll always be poor. And a society becomes richer whenever it takes people out of farming and brings into industry. So what they are doing, they're destroying it. What this Khalistanis, they just hate India and Sanatan so much that they will do anything to embarrass India and Modi, even if their whole people are destroyed. So that is, these people are acting out of, I would say, more malevolence than ignorance, because they know what to support in Canada, and they do just the opposite here. So by repealing this farm laws, like this farm reforms, which were like so past breaking, we may have taken Punjab back a generation.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.